These little bundles of energy and curiosity transform the rugged landscape into an arena teeming with life and laughter. Lion cubs, nature's most enchanting bundles of fur and curiosity, tumble over each other in playful abandon. Picture this lively tableau. Tiny paws batting at each other's ears, miniature roars punctuating the otherwise serene landscape, and eyes wide open with unfiltered wonder. Lion cubs playing around. Their play is more than mere frolic, it is a rehearsal for life. As they chase butterflies or wrestle in mock battles, these lion cubs are unwittingly preparing for their future roles as the apex predators of their domain. Join us on this journey into their world. A world where every leap is a lesson and every day an adventure waiting to be explored. Lion cubs playing around. In the golden heart of Africa's sprawling savanna, where the horizon stretches endlessly under a sapphire sky, a spectacle of pure delight and unbridled joy unfolds daily. Lion cubs playing around. Picture this. Tiny paws kicking up soft clouds of dust as they leap and pounce, their bright eyes gleaming with curiosity and mischief. These scenes are not just endearing, they offer a fascinating glimpse into the early lives of nature's most majestic predators. Lion cubs playing around.